Hello students, so here we will going to see the part 2 of the solution that we have started for the CBSE 2023 board paper of the mathematics of class 10th. So we have already seen the 10 MCQs and we have seen the in detail explained solution of all those MCQs. Means I already told you how to solve those MCQs properly and get the full marks. Okay, and I have also given you some tricks, means how in a short way we can find out the answers easily. So I hope that you all have referred that part 1. Now we will go to see the part 2, means we will going to cover up all the remaining MCQs and some assertion reasoning question that were there in that paper. We'll start here. So here we will going to see now the solution of the all remaining questions. This question are taken from the set first of first series of CBSE 2023 maths question paper for the class 10th. Okay, so we will start here. So the 11th question that is given here, that is related with the statistics. So we have given the distribution of marks obtained by the 80 students or students in a test. So total number of the students, that is 80, means we can say this is the total frequency. Now we have given the table, but that is not given in the direct format, that is given in the less than type. Okay, so we know that for such a type of a table, whatever the number of students are given below, they are the cumulative frequencies. They are the cumulative frequencies. So first what we have to find out, so what we have to find out here, model class of a distribution. So basically we decide the model class of a distribution on the basis of the frequency, not basis of the cumulative frequency. So for that we have to check the class for which the highest frequency is there. So the class having the highest frequency will be the model class, but currently we have not given the frequency directly, so I will just take here. So we know that it is a less than type, means that can be converted into the 0 to 10. Okay, so that particular 0 to 10 class will be having the frequency 3. Now this class, that is a 10 to 20, will having the frequency 12 minus 3, that is 9. And then again this is the 20 to 30 class. So what is the total? 27. This is the cumulative frequency, so we will minus the 12, which is the cumulative frequency of the earlier or the preceding class. So we will going to get the answer, that is we will going to get 15. Then this is the 30 to 40 class. Now what is the sum, or what is the cumulative frequency? 57. So I will just subtract the 27 from the 57, so I will get the 30. I will get the 30 for this class. I have this cumulative frequency 75. Just I will subtract the 75 from the 57. I will going to get the one answer, that is 18. So it is a 18 one. Then we have the another class, that is 50 to 60. It has the cumulative frequency 80 and preceding cumulative frequency is 75, so this is 5. So we now got the individual frequencies of all the classes. You can see now the class that is 30 to 40, means less than 40, that is the class having the maximum frequency, that is 30. So we can say that this class will be the model class. This class will be the model class, and for that we have to choose the option, that is option number C. So that will be your correct answer. This is the question that is related with the surface area and volume. So this is the topic that is regarding mensuration. So what is given here? Curved surface area of a cone. What we have to find out? We have to find out the curved surface area of a cone. Okay, so what is the formula of the curved surface area of cone? That is pi r l. Okay, so we will require the r and l, that is l is a slanted. Here we have given the h, that is 24. What is given? Radius is given, that is 7 centimeter. So I don't have the l, so what is the formula for the finding slanted? That is under root h square plus r square. So I will just write here, what is the h? H is 24 square plus square, that is, now what is that? 576 plus 49. So this gives us 625. So I can say that L is equal to 25. L is equal to 25 because 625 is the square of 25. So I will put these values in the formula, that is pi r l. Pi means 22 by 7. What is radius? Radius is 7. L is directly 25. I am writing it directly here, so it is cut. So what is remaining here? 22 multiplied by 25. So I will just do the multiplication. So it is 55 remaining, again 50, 50 and 5, 550. So what is the answer? That is 550 square centimeter will be the curved surface area of the cone. So again the option number C will be the correct answer for me. Now see the 13th question. It is related with the coordinate geometry. We know that coordinate geometry means, I will going to suggest you that don't miss the topics of the coordinate geometry, because it is a very easier topic and it will going to give you a full out of mark. So whatever the weightage is there, that weightage is very beneficial for you people. So must go for all questions of the coordinate geometry. Now what is given? We have given the 2 points. So this point lying on the y-axis, this point lies on the minus x-axis. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance. So I will just apply the formula, that is distance formula. So what is my distance formula? Basically x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Just I will put the values here, no issue. Okay, x2 I will going to take, that is minus 2 root 5. What is x1? That is 0 here, so it will remaining as it is, plus y2 is 0, y2 is 0. So what will be remaining here? y1 is 2 root 5. So I will write here minus 2 root 5, because it is y2 minus y1. Okay, now what is here? Under root 2 root 5 square means I can say 4 multiplied by 5, plus again it will be 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, 4 multiplied by 5. I have done the square of both of the terms. Fine. Now it is 20 plus 20, so it is 40. Now 40 means 2 root 10. How? Because 40 can be written as 4 multiplied by 10, and 4 is the square of 2, so I have taken the 2 out of the root, and what is remaining here? 10. So 2 root 10 will be my answer. 2 root 10 will be my answer. So option number A will be correct here. That's it. So we can simply solve this question. This is the question which is related with the quadratic polynomial. So which of the following quadratic polynomial having the 0 minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3? So what we have to do here? There are two methods. First, you can put the each and every value, means both the values in the each and every option. Then if you are getting the answer 0, then you can conclude that they are the zeros. But we will go for the shortcut method. Means what we will do here, you can see there is a 3 that is in the denominator only, that is in the denominator. So whenever I will going to do the square, or I should get 9 in the denominator. Fine. So just consider that if all the polynomials are equated with the 0, then obviously we should get the values, that is minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 as the answers, or as the values of x. Okay, so if I will going to take it as a 0, then obviously 9 will be on the right hand side, so 9 will be in the numerator. So root of 9, that is 3, should be in the numerator, but we have the zeros which having the 3 in the denominator, so obviously first option will automatically will get cancelled. Similarly for this also, it will also get cancelled, so we will not going to get the answer from the option number A and C. Now we will go for the remaining two options. Here if I will going to equate this particular option, 4 by 9 multiplied by 9x square plus 4 equal to 0. So what will be that? It will become 9x square plus 4 equal to 0, or it can be 9x square equal to minus 4. So x square equal to minus 4 upon 9. Now we know that if I will going to convert it into the under root minus 4 upon 9, so basically this is the complex number. We will have the root of minus 4 as a complex root, so obviously this is not given in the in our portion, that is the portion of the class 11. So you don't know that particular concept here, so obviously this option can't be possible. Now we will see this. What is here? 5 9x square minus 4 equal to 0. I will again equate it by the 0, so it will become 9x square minus 4 equal to 0. So it will become 9x square equal to 4. Now I will get the value, that is x square equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So I know that, so I can write x as a 4 upon 9. Now 4 upon 9. Now This can be, now we are transferring the square on the another side, so root will be written with the both sign plus minus. So what will be the answer? Plus minus 2 by 3 should be the answer of this polynomial. So what are the values of x that we got? Plus minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. So yes, we can say that option number D is correct answer. So option D will be the correct answer. Okay, this is the very direct and very easier question which is related with the mean, again related with the statistics. So if the value of each observation, if there are the n number of the observation x1, x2, x3 up to the xn, and if we are increasing each observation by the 3, then the mean of mean of that particular data will also increase by 3. That is a simple fact, because what will happen, whenever we will going to add the 3 in each and every value of the observation, then obviously there will be the total sum that is added 3n. So when we will going to divide that particular sum to new total sum, again we will going to get the mean that will be increased by the 3. So we can say that if initially the mean is x, then it will become x plus 3. That will be the total mean of our data. Fine. So what will be my answer? Option number B will be my answer. This is the very easier question that you should know. This is the one direct question and sure shot question which can give us very easily full marks, and we can solve this question within a minute, or we can see in the 30 seconds also, because the probability of happening an event is denoted by P. Means probability of happening any event is given by P, and the probability of not happening of event is given by Q. So if I say it is the probability of happening the event that is equal to P, then not happening the event will be represented by E bar. So probability of that particular event is Q. So we know that for any elementary event, now what we have to find out? Relation between P and Q. Now we know that in probability, the total sum of the probability of any elementary event used to be unity, or that is called as a 1. So if I say that probability of any event is P and probability of not happening that particular event is P E bar, then total sum is 1. So I can say P plus Q, these are the values which are given in the question, that is equal to 1. So my option number 1 will be correct answer for this question. Fine. So again another question is given which is also related with the probability. Now in this question we will going to require some mathematical calculation. A girl calculates the probability of her winning for the first prize in a lottery is 0.08%. So I can say that the probability of winning the event is given by 0.08, or we can say that is 8 upon 100. Okay, now the total tickets which are sold in that particular event or in that lottery event were 6,000. So how many tickets has she bought? So we will obviously write the number of tickets she bought, number of tickets she bought will be 8 upon 100 multiplied by 6,000, simply because this is the probability which is related with the 6,000. So total tickets are 6,000. So we have to find out the number of tickets which are bought by the girl, bought by a girl. So I will write here. So 0 will get cancelled here. What is remaining? That is 480. So 480 tickets are bought or has been bought by the girl. So our answer should be option number C, that is 480. It was a direct question. So for this we require only the simple formula of the probability of any event. Fine. Question number 18. Okay, this is the last question of the MCQ questions from the section A. So again this is the question that is related with the probability. In a group of 20 people, there are the 20 people. 5 can't swim, means there are 5 people who can't swim. So obviously other people that which are 15 in number can swim. Now these people can swim. So what we have to find? If one person is selected randomly from the group of these 20 people, then find the probability that he or she can swim. So what are the number or what are the favorable outcomes? 15. So we have to find out the probability that can swim. So I will write here the number of people who can swim. They are 15 out of the total number of people, which are 15. So we can, which is 20. So I will just divide. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So 3 by 4, or we can say 0.75 or 75% will be the probability of this particular question, or for the chances of person that is selected can swim. Fine. So this is the answer of this question. So option number A should be correct here, that is 3 by 4. Fine. So here we can see the assertion reasoning questions. So here we have now remaining the two assertion reasoning questions, which are very simple one. So we have to see how to solve those questions, because some of you will going to get confused while solving such questions and all, because there are these are the theoretical and some written question which having a long statements, and also we have to decide what answer should be correct for that particular question. So let's see, we will see the question number 19 here directly, but it's given here point P02. We know that it is a 02, so obviously it will be lying on the y-axis. Is the point of intersection of y-axis. So basically we consider the y-axis as a perpendicular or vertical axis with a line 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Now there may be some another line that is having the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Now this particular equation of a line is given to us. Now we consider that there is one point, that is P, which is the intersection point of y-axis with any given line. So we have given one point, so we know that if that point is the intersection point, so obviously that point is also lying on the given line, also lying on the given line. So if I have to check whether this statement is correct or not, so for that what I will do, I will put the coordinates of the point P. I will put the, listen me carefully, I will put the points of coordinate P in the given equation of a line. So on the LHS, write 3x plus 2y equal to 3. What is the value of x here? That is 0 into 2. I am putting the coordinates of the P here. Okay, so what is the answer here? 4. So we got the answer on the RHS, that is 4. So yes, we can say that it is the point which is the intersection of y-axis with the given line. So our assertion is correct. Now we will go for the reason. Now the reason of this particular assertion is that the given point, the coordinates of the given point are satisfying the given equation of the line, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. But what is given here? It is given regarding the distance. Yes, we know that in the reason the distance of point P 02 from the x-axis is 2 units. Yes, we know that the perpendicular distance from the x-axis gives us the y coordinates. That is the simple definition that we know. Means reason is also correct, but it is not a proper reason for the given assertion here, because assertion demands the reason, that is the given point satisfying the given equation of the line, or that point lie on the given line. So because of that we are getting that particular assertion. So we can say that our option number B will be the correct answer for this question. What is that? Both assertion and reason are true, but reason R is not a correct explanation of A. So what should be the answer for this? Option number B. Okay, now we have given the last question, that is of the part of the short answer question, that is MCQ and objective type questions. So here what is given to us, assertion is the perimeter of a triangle ABC is a rational number. So we have given one triangle here. Here perpendicular is 2 cm, base is 3 cm. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we will going to calculate the value of length AC. So AC will become 2 square plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 9, that is equal to root 13. Now root 13 is the length. So what should be the perimeter? Perimeter should be the sum of the length of all sides. So I will say it is 2 plus 3 plus root 13. So you can see here it is 5 plus root 13. It is 5 plus root 13. We know that here one is a rational number, another is a irrational number, because root 13 is a irrational number. So the total sum will be irrational. So the perimeter of this particular triangle will be irrational. But what is given in the assertion itself, it is a rational number, which is totally a wrong assertion. So assertion is wrong. Okay, now we will see the reason. Okay, of the squares of two rational number is always rational. Okay, let's see. If I am taking the any two type of rational number, those rational numbers are also given in this question. You can see that is 2 is a rational number, 3 is also a rational number. So if I will going to find out the sum of the squares of these two rational number, what is the sum of 2? That is 4. What is the sum of 3? That is 9. So I will get the 13. Yes, 13 is a rational number. Yes or no? Similarly, I will going to take the another any two type of a rational number. So when I will going to take the squares of those rational number and I will add them, I will get the answer that is also rational. So yes, my reason statement is correct. Means my reason statement is correct, but my assertion statement is wrong. So I can say that correct answer or correct option for this question will be D. Why the correct option will be D here? Because in that particular the assertion is, what is assertion? Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct. So we can say that option number D will be the correct answer for this question. Fine. I hope that you got the solution of all these MCQ question that I have covered here as a part 2. So I hope that it will be helpful for you people. So those who have not seen the or watched that particular part 1 also may go to that particular video solution. So it will be helpful for you to cover up all the MCQ questions from the last year's board exam question paper comprehensively, and you may going to get the idea that yes, there used to be some type of MCQ question that will require some amount of the mathematical calculation, but overall if I will going to give you a review of that particular question paper, so it was obviously easier one, and don't get afraid by saying that is a maths paper and all. Go positively for the board exam and all. You will going to get the idea that, or you will be going to notice that the level of the question not used to be too much hard and all. It used to be at a par, and everyone can solve some of the question very easily from those all 20 questions. So it will be better for you people to refer some MCQ question and just observe the answers, or just observe the previous year questions. So you will going to get the idea how the questions are actually asked in the board exam and all. So that is my humble advice to you people. Even though if you want the solution of some other question, or if you people have any other doubts in any type of a question or in any chapter of the maths, you can ask me. I will going to provide you the solution, or I will going to help you in that particular section, or in those doubts. So I hope that all this will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.